Hey, Miss Sullivan. So I just wanted to give you a little tour of what I'm seeing, and maybe I'm doing something wrong, but so this is me using the internet version of it. Down here, I have the app version of it. So let's just go into your class using the internet. So I go into your class. Actually, hold on. Cancel. Teams. All teams. Okay, so we'll start here. So this is your class, so I log in there, and I have the options for post, files, class notebook, assignments, and grades. So this is basically what I see on my end, the chat, no issues there. Not sure what that is, that just came up. Okay. Okay, so post. Then if I go to files, this is what I see. I've not seen anything else other than this at all. And I keep getting this right here. I've tried new upload copy link. It doesn't work. Class notebook, I guess is not available to us yet, but like most things, it just keeps saying something went wrong. Assignments, I've not had an issue with the assignments tab, so I do see the assignment and I can see the stuff that she has completed or not completed. The shapes, we didn't turn it in because I didn't see anything pertaining shapes, and honestly this is the first time that I've seen this. Grades, it shows that I've viewed the assignments, and obviously whether or not I've turned them in. So if we go to the app part of it, so now I'm in the app on my computer, and I've also tried this on the app in my phone, and still nothing. I get the same hidden channel. If I go to files, still this is all I see. I don't see anything else. Class notebook, something went wrong. So I'm not sure if it's just her profile, any of the other parents, but I just kind of wanted to show you what it is that I see on my end, or what I don't see on my end. Living versus non-living. So I can click on here, and it takes me back to the assignment. If I click on the assignment, I do get the test, but that's all I can see. I can get the tests. Let me go back real quick. Go back. Go back. And I don't know, like I can log into other classes, like the art class, for example. I do see her assignment with the scavenger hunt. She was able to post a video. I believe that was under files as well. Let me go back in. Let's see what's under her art class files. See, I've gotten files in this class. These were yesterday. This was last week that she posted that. She didn't send anything today because it was just basically the one assignment we had all week to complete. So I don't anticipate her posting anything else for the rest of the week. But I don't know, it's just in your class for some reason the connection is just not working. I was able to get information on the PE. He did not use the files option. What he ended up doing was posting things on here, so I was able to view the assignment here in PE. And then in the assignment, he actually had the link for the video, and then he had the worksheet. And then we'll look at the last class, her music class. In her music class, again, I can see all the posts, no problem. Files, under files, I don't have any files, but I think that this particular teacher did not upload files, because what they did, and it seems like they're not even using this.
Meg.
Sorry. This was an assignment that we had, and then what they ended up doing in this class was she posted the link. Let's see if I remember. had it. I don't remember how this person posted the link. Is it here? Oh my goodness, I don't remember how this person posted the link, but I was able to see the link. Oh, okay. It was on here. So if I go under completed, here, when I went under assignments and I clicked on it, everything was under the assignments, and that's how this professor did it. And then right here was the video, and then this is what we submitted after it was done, and then this was the instruction. So their link and everything was under the assignments tab. This professor's not using anything in the files tab. So I just wanted to show you this so you kind of get an idea. On my end, the app and the website is still giving me the same thing. I'm not able to access much on your class. Sullivan. So I got the assignment, but if I go back to your files, I don't get anything. Oh, actually, I didn't get the error this time, but I still only get these two. And when I went to your initial, your very initial video that you yourself recorded, I think it was this one, the Happy Monday video, I couldn't click on the link. I actually had to do it this way and then open online. And then it brought me to this, and I went ahead and see which one's hers. And I don't remember. Nope, I don't think it's either one of these. I'm going to leave it alone because I also use Teams on my end, and I don't know if that's contributing to the confusion on my computer because of the email addresses, but I'm just going to leave this alone. But the other day I was able to view your video without a problem, so just wanted to set this up so you can see what I see. I don't know if this helps, but I'm being patient, and I just want to keep you in the loop on what we're trying to do on our end.